Hi, I'm Rob. I'm the founder of Antiques Web Design by PH9. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Shopping, how to set up an automated feed of all your products on your website to Instagram Shopping, and how to tag those products on your posts when you post to Instagram. So we start by doing a post in the normal way. We select a picture or multiple pictures if we want from our phone, add any filters if you want, and then we just type in the item description just as we would do normally. As well as the item description, of course, we put in hashtags. Now I'm going to fast forward this bit as it takes a bit of time. But if you want any advice on the best way to hashtag your items, there's an article about this on our blog at antiqueswebdesign.com. Before we finish the post, we press Tag Products. This will bring up a list of all the products that will automatically fed through from your website. Simply search for your product and select it. As you can see, the product on my website is already in the list, so it's just a simple case of selecting it. So what does this actually give us? Well, if we view our Instagram from a visitor's perspective and view an item, you'll see that it's actually tagged to a product now. And if we click on that post, we'll actually view the product in Instagram Shopping. We can click to view it on our website, whereas of course there'll be more pictures. And all the rest of the information about the item, such as the description, dimensions, period if you put that, and of course a buy button should you have e-commerce enabled on your website. And that's how you use Instagram Shopping with an automated feed from your website and tag your products so that you're getting more exposure. With our websites, that feed can be completely automated, and whilst the process that Meta, the owners of Facebook and Instagram, have is a little bit convoluted, we can break through that confusion for you and actually set up the entire feed for you so you're not having to do a thing. We like to make things easy. Best of all is using Instagram Shopping with your Instagram and with your website is proven to increase your sales. For more information, please visit our website at www.antiqueswebdesign.com. That's www.antiqueswebdesign.com, or give us a call 01332 896 731. 01332 896 731. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.